Scare me. Sweet. Wow. That's really cool. Oh my goodness, this is...
You might see the Jeep go by here too.
Well, if I'm lucky, huh? Good. In this line, I've noticed that there's not a lot of fans. It must be hot during summer, huh? All right, we're going into the queue for King Kong here. I've heard that there's some scare actors in here, but I wouldn't know if they're actually here. I'm actually kind of nervous. Oh yeah, this is pretty creepy. There. Cool, the skulls are awesome. The theming of this is pretty amazing. Well, I guess there's no scare actors. Where do we go? I can't. Ooh! Can't see. Ah, Jesus Christ! They're scare actors. Well, I didn't hear it, but I didn't see them, but I heard them. They got me. Oh, you get glasses? This one?
You aren't expecting hunger, or if you have heart, back, or neck conditions, abnormal blood pressure, recovery from recent surgery.
I didn't know you had glasses for this.
Yeah.
It's like it's a simulator or something. This looks like not a simulator.
Yeah, you don't have to wear them right now.
Oh, okay.
Don't let my age fool you. I can handle anything that comes along. My uncle, Carl Denham, makes adventure movies. That's what I want to do someday. I can't wait to tell him about this place. Are you en route with the replacements and supplies for Team 2? You betcha, Millie. Just the locals, folks. Nothing to worry about. That's just a legend. Now might be a good time to put on your goggles. Looks like the legend has passed on. Me and my big mouth! Hiya, Kate.
Hey, Will. Harper's Rock over there. Good timing. We're gonna need help putting up the traps. Joe, how's the look back there?
Hold on, I need more light.
Vortexes! Take cover! Joe!
Hang on! We're coming, Kate! Kate!
Go with me, you filthy!
Holy cow! Hey! Watch now! in. Come in.
Will, come back. We called everyone back.
Nobody say a word. Hang on!
There he is, King Kong.
Coming up on your left.
Oh no! Oh no! No.
Base, this is Team 1. Kong is real. In fact, he's right in front of us. This cannot be good. Okay, we get the message. Kong is king.
Team 1, this is Base.
King! How in the world?
Long story. Are you alright?
Not sure. Team 1, you alright? Wait till Uncle Carl hears about this.
Kong.
Adventure of a lifetime.